Hi, hello, my dear children. Are you listening the lessons, children? Some of your friends coming to school. You also try to come to school to listen the lessons, children. Okay. Yes. Today we are going to discuss about safety and first aid. Safety and first aid. Okay, children. Suppose games period. Every day you are going to games, no children? Yes. While you are playing, if anybody fall down and get hurt of elbow or knee or forehead, what will you do? What will you do? How do you help them? How do you help them? First we should wash the wound. Okay, first we should wash the wound and apply ointment. If any bandages and ointments or cottons are not available on the playground, what should you do? First, yes, okay, tell to neighbors to give cotton or band-aid or water. Okay, any one of your friend may get hurt and blood is bleeding from the wound. Okay, what will you do? Okay, ask to aunt. Okay, neighboring houses also there near the playground, no children. Okay, call one aunt or tell to elders. Okay, for giving help. Ask to any aunt or uncle to give water and turmeric powder or ointment or cotton. Definitely they will give all these things for you. Okay. Yes, suppose one of your friend fall down while playing games, okay, and get hurt of knee or elbow or forehead, or sometime bones may fracture. In that time what should you do? First try to give some help to that person, a friend. Okay, apply ointment. For example, if it is bleeding, what should you do? Okay, first try to stop the bleeding and apply more cotton on the wound and wrap the sterile gauze. Okay, do you know what we call this? Okay, do you know what we call this? All these help the injured person is called, yes, that is called first aid. What is called first aid? What is called first aid, ma? The immediate help given to the injured person, okay, or victim before going to the doctor, that is called a first aid. Okay, it is very important to learn about the first aid. Okay, if one of your friend yes, suddenly may fell down, blood is bleeding from the injured part, what will you do? Okay, let us discuss about these. Okay, children. So for example, when yes, when cutting the any apple or guava, suppose we are cutting an apple or guava, suddenly by mistake you cut your finger. Okay, what is your mother do? What is your mother do? Immediately she try to stop the bleeding, and clean the wound with antiseptic lotion. Okay, take cotton and dip it into the antiseptic lotion and clean the blood from the cutting portion. Before that, before giving first aid, you should wash your hands. Why should we wash your hands? Your hands may contain dirt or dust, okay, or germs. They may enter the wound and causes diseases. Okay, children. And if the skin is cut, yes, if the skin is cut, immediately try to stop the bleeding. Okay, by applying more cotton. Take this much of cotton and put into the, yes, Dettol or Savlon, okay, and clean the portion like this, okay, and apply one band-aids. If cut is very minor, if the cut is very minor, you have to apply band-aids. Okay, children, don't forget it. Don't forget it, children. Suppose you are cutting an apple, by mistake you cut your finger. Okay, suppose you are cutting an apple or guava, by mistake you cut your finger. What is your mother do? They apply, okay, turmeric powder on your finger. That is called first aid. Before going to the doctor, we will give some help for the injured person. That is called first aid. So if your finger is cut, your mother suddenly apply turmeric powder, okay, or else you have to apply band-aids, okay, wrap around that portion, okay, wrap the finger with the bandage like this. If the skin is cut very deep, what will you do? If the skin is cut very deep, what will you do? First clean that portion with water. If any dirt or dust, okay, first we will remove the dust or dirt by using the water, or else you have to take cotton, dip it into the antiseptic lotions or Dettol or Savlon, okay, first clean the wound with cotton, okay, and apply more cotton. First try to stop the bleeding like this, okay, and immediately take him to a doctor, okay. If the blood is bleeding from the cut, okay, if the cut is very deep, that is the root of germs may enter through the cut very easily. That's why first try to stop the bleeding, okay, from the cutting portion, and apply more cotton around that cutting portion and take him to a doctor, okay children. That is called first aid, okay. For example, see, for cuts or wound, what will you do? Clean the wound with Dettol or Savlon, okay, and also put a band-aid for minor cut, okay, you have to put band-aid for minor cut. In case of deep cut, what will you do? Remove all the dirt from the wound, then clean the skin around it with cotton, okay children, and going to the doctor, take him to a doctor, rush him to a doctor, okay. That is called first aid. Before going to the doctor, we will give some help for the injured person, that is called first aid. It is very important to learn about the first aid. When will you give first aid? You have to learn, okay children. And for minor burns are caused by heat or electricity or steam. Sometime, yes, hot milk or hot water may spills on your body and blisters are formed on the skin. In that time, what will you do? Okay, keep the burnt area under the cool running water. If any hot water, okay, or hot milk spills on your body, that is called burnt area. Okay, immediately, okay, keep the burnt area under cool running water. Okay, turn on the tap and keep the burnt portion under the cold running water tap. Put an ice pack on the burnt area, okay, put an ice pack on the burnt area. This will remove the pain, okay, and also apply an antiseptic cream on the burnt part, okay children. Will you do all these? Okay, sometime while drinking milk or coffee or tea, or bringing hot milk for bathing, sometimes they may spills on your body, okay, and causes skin becomes a reddish color. In that time, what will you do? Keep your hand under the cold running water tap. This will remove the pain, okay, reduces the pain, okay, or else you have to keep one ice pack on the burnt portion, okay, or else apply an antiseptic cream on the burnt area and take him to a doctor, okay. If blisters are formed on the burnt area, don't prick the blisters with your hand, okay na. Your hand may contain dust or dirt or germs, they may septic the wound. That's why don't prick the blisters, okay. Blisters are full of watery substance is there, that's why don't prick the blisters with the safety pin or your nails, they may septic, okay children. So in case of minor burns, what will you do? Keep the burnt area under the cool running water tap, or keep the ice pack on the burnt area, and also apply antiseptic ointment, okay children. Will you do all these? Okay. And for example, if one of your friends suffering from nosebleed, it is common in children. It is okay, summer season, weather is very hot, yes, Summer season weather is hot. You feel very thirsty even though you are not at all drinking water. In that time, blood vessels may burst inside the nose. That causes the nose bleed. It is commonly in children. So, suppose one of your friends suffering from nose bleed. Bleeding means nose bleed means blood is coming from the nose. Blood vessels may burst inside the nose. Blood is bleeding from the nose. In that time, what will you do? Tell that person to sit on the chair. Okay, keep the head tilted at back like this. Okay, and apply ice pack on his head. If ice pack is not available, pour cool water on his head. Okay, children, and tell to that person to breathe through the nose. Tell to that person close the nostrils like this. Okay, close the nostrils like this. This will keep more pressure on the blood vessels, and tell to that person to breathe through the mouth. Okay, children, will you do all these? Okay, suppose when you are playing in the playground, one of your friends suffering with nosebleed. In that time, what will you do? It is common in children, you only. In that time, what will you do? Immediately one person go and bring water from neighboring houses and pour cool water on his head. Okay, this will stop the bleeding from the nose. Or else tell to that person to sit on the chair, and tell to that person to keep the head tilted back like this. Okay, and keep one ice pack on the nose like this. Okay, and keep okay, ask to aunt or uncle. Okay, give one ice cubes and put on the napkin. Okay, put on the napkin like this, and keep the ice pack on the nose like this. On the nose like this. Okay, yes, this will stop the bleeding from the nose. Okay, and tell to that person to breathe through the mouth. Okay, children, will you do all these? Suppose one of your friends suffering with nosebleed, what will you do? Pour cool water on his head. Okay, blood vessels may burst, blood is coming from the nose. In that time, tell to that person to sit on the chair. Tell to that person to keep the head tilted back like this, and tell to that person to breathe through the nose, and tell to that person to keep the nostrils, to close the nostrils like this. If ice cubes are available, keep the ice pack on his nose like this. This will stop the bleeding from the nose. Okay, children, you have to do during summer. It is common in children only. Okay, children, bye. Have a good day.